you just want to talk to me. What is your problem? What is your malfunction? I swear to God. What? And then what? It's my house. Is it your house? Huh? If I went up to your room, then you can yell at me. This is Mama's room. Huh?
Anak, she's also my daughter, anak.
Daughter.
Yes, you're a daughter also.
You're a daughter.
Huh? Are you a daughter?
Ikaw, sampit ka lang dito. Di ba sampit ka lang? No, I'm a daughter.
And I'm bigger than you. Huh? Yes, I'm bigger than you. So I get to do what I want. Huh? Huh? I'm going to bite you now. You're stupid.
Wow.